What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. We have Mara today. We've got Tate that's passed out. We got Brooks behind me. And we are going to farm day at Landmark Park, which is right down the road from our house. So we're going to take y'all along today, family vlog kind of deal. Probably going to be a lot more now of them, since Tate's probably going to be with me a lot more, probably. We're going to see how this goes. I haven't really got comfortable around filming around people, so we'll pick y'all up when we get there. Truckloads of peanut butter to hurricane victims, tornado victims in Tuscaloosa. Those peanut butter jars went straight into the food bank, and all you had to have was a spoon. And it does not go bad because you don't have to put it in the refrigerator. And you can get everything out of that jar of nutrients, which is the best, most healthy food that we can send to anyone, whether it's developing nations that are hungry or somebody that's in need of food. All you gotta have is your finger or it.
Do you see that cow? Whoa, are you gonna get him? Oh, her name is Annabelle.
You can't get in there with them like you can in the house.
Do you want that cow? Do you need one like that at the house? You can't get in there, buddy.
Yeah, let's go see the one that looks like Josephine.
Oh, you're gonna go find more?
You ready?
All right, let's go see them. What do you think of this one, Bubba?
That's basically how Josephine turned out.
Same coloring? What do you think, Tate?
You like these animals?
Oh.
You got a drink on it? Nice.
What do you think, Tate? Oh yeah, good? Is it good? Did it do a good job? Oh, did you find your baby? Gentle, okay?